device we use to do this eye tracking. And then we are going to talk about how we collect the data, and then the last thing is application. Maybe this actually I'm talking about application next. Eye tracking is the process of measuring how your eye move when you see there's things, image or event something. And the device we use to do measuring eye position and eye movement we call it eye tracker. There are three types of eye tracking device. The first one is we call it eye attachment, eye attached tracking. Like we use attachment to the eye directly, anyone use one? Anyone has experience of using contact lens? It's like we use special contact lens and with a mirror and some sensor to track your eye movement. This eye attached tracking allow the measurement of eye movement in horizontal or vertical and torsion direction. So it's very useful. And the second one is since some people are very sensitive to direct contact to your eye, so the second device is we use non-contact method to measuring your eye motion. We use video camera to track the light emit from your eye and to analyze your eye rotation from reflection. It's like this. You can see there are two camera. This one will track your eye movement, and this one will record the image you see in front of you. So before we use this device, we need to do some tests. We need to adjust the two cameras position to adjust to the best position. And the third method is very high technology. There we use electric potential measured with electrodes placed around the eyes. Since the eyes are a range of a steady electric potential field which can be detected in darkness, even when your eyes are closed, it will detect how your eye moves. When you sleep, it will also detect how your eye moves. It's very this device looks very cool, and the weight of this device is very light, so it's very comfortable for people to, and also it's very expensive. We have already talked about how we do the video tracking, and this is the data present. We got four types of data presentation. The first one is identification. Will show how it's like this. This is static one. This is the second one. If you see the animation presentation, you will see the circle will see the circle appear one after one. This one is static presentation, so you will see this does not move, but we got line to show the order of which circle you see first. It's this is an example of how the data presents. People usually, when we read the paragraph, people will usually read from the first line, from left to right, and it will show which parts people pay more attention to, and which part of this is the lighter, and we always pay first two parts is lighter. This is the third type of the data presentation is heat maps. It's different from the first two methods. It will show, it uses some heat, agglomerated analysis of visual exploration patterns. We will see the hot zones when you see heat maps. always the heat hot zone will show like you pay higher frequencies on the place, and the black zone is like will show like you do not pay much attention to the part. It's like this one you will see the hot zone is here and here, so it means like when you see this black page, you will see this part and this part more frequently. Rather than this part, or you even do not see this part at all. So this is we call heat. And this is an application of how application of this visual tracking. You will see this is an advertisement of like baby's diaper. So you will see this baby here. It's very cute. And this there on the face, you will see hot zone. It means like when our customer see this advertisement, they will pay attention on the baby, even on baby's face, rather than the content. This is definitely not the company want. Company want like people can pay more attention on their product, on the content. So when the designer changed this picture, they like change the direction of the baby. You will see this part. So all the research turns out that after we change the direction of the baby, then people pay more attention on the content. So this is like better design. This is like what the company wants. So this is like very like simple application of visual tracking. So this is what I'm gonna talk about like next lecture. So is it a question?
I have one question. So do we use this kind of technology in real life or marketing?
Yeah, we use a lot like web page design. We will use a lot we'll use it on like medical research, computer stability, like medical solution, like driver, how people like what's the movement of driver, and a lot of this. So it's very useful.
So this kind of technology need a lot of volunteers.